In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on the Paradox K37 wireless keypad. When the keypad is new, it is very difficult to disconnect the keypad from the back plate. There are no screws holding the keypad to the back plate. It is just tight. I don't recommend using a screwdriver to loosen it because you might end up leaving marks on the plastic. On the back of the mount, you will see it says push. Get a piece of wood or something that is of relatively soft material and place it as you can see in the video. Now, hit on the bottom of the keypad. Use common sense so you don't cause any damage. Remember, you are doing this at your own risk. It may take you several attempts, but the back plate should come out. Remove the back plate and turn to the back of the unit. You will see a small door held with a screw. Remove the screw and insert the batteries according to the legend. Alternatively, the K37 can be powered by a 6-volt, 300 milliamps power adapter. If you can use an adapter, it will save the customer having to replace the batteries once a year.